Hey everyone, it's me again. Just wanted to make a second short video to kind of give some specifics about what trigonometry is going to look like over the next few weeks. Um, First of all, we are going to go ahead. We have one unit left to finish in what I had hoped to accomplish this semester. It was the unit on graphing sine, cosine, tangent. And so we're going to start that unit tomorrow, I guess, or we're going to start that unit now. And we're going to do it through Khan Academy. I'm not sure how familiar you are with the entire Khan Academy website. I think I've used a couple of videos from Khan Academy in class before, but the website itself has a lot more functionality than just the videos. And so we're going to be using that to work our way through how to graph and what a graph of the sine, cosine, and tangent functions tell us about those functions. And so what that's going to look like is you're going to have some videos to watch, some of the Khan Academy videos. You're going to have some practice problems to work through there, and the practice problems that they give you, it's nice because it gives you a little bit of feedback as to whether you're doing it correctly or not. Can give you a little bit of help when you're struggling on those questions, so you'll do some of those. There's quizzes on there. There's what they call articles, which are kind of like a textbook with written information that also have like kind of an interactive component to maybe help you wrap your head around some of the ideas that you're going through there. And then if we need to, if we're not back in school in time, there's also a unit test that covers all the graphing components that we will be looking at. So we might do that as well, just depending on if and when we get to come back to school. If we don't get to come back to school and take the test in person, then grading wise, if you complete all the Khan Academy components that I assigned to you, that will result in your standard score being a 5 out of 5 for each standard. That's kind of the way I'm going to work that. If we come back and we take a test at school, then I'll grade that as normal. So that's kind of content-wise what this is going to look like. I will probably also every once in a while just assign you some secondary kind of activities to do through Desmos. Desmos has some cool stuff that goes along with graphing of sine and cosine. Some of the marble slides activity that some of you guys got into a little bit before spring break, where you take a graph of a sine function and you change some of the components to it to try and collect all the marbles that are on the screen. It's kind of a fun little game that you can play. I'll have some other activities that go along with sine and cosine graphs that you guys will take a look at in Desmos. But for the most part, it's Khan Academy and then a few other activities that we're going to be taking a look at. Now, when we finish Unit 4, we'll see what comes after that, whether we're back at school or whether we're still doing the remote instruction at home. We'll tackle that when we get to it. Okay. I will be available through office hours for you guys. I will post on Google Classroom that time period that I'm kind of dedicating to trigonometry when you can reach me through Zoom. We're going to be doing virtual office hours, so if you guys are having trouble with anything or you just want to chat about what you're supposed to be doing or just chat in general, there'll be a time period set aside where you guys can log in using a link I provide, and you'll have access to me in kind of real-time communication. So to take a look, keep a lookout for that on Google Classroom. I'll post that information there. Your first assignment for this remote instruction period that we're entering now is to watch the two videos. Hopefully you're on the second one now. Log into Khan Academy and make sure that you notice that you're enrolled in a trigonometry class there and that you have an assignment waiting for you. It's just a video to watch. You don't have to watch that today. You're not responsible for watching that yet. I just want to make sure that you can get in and see that that video is there. And once you do that, there's a Google form on the Google Classroom post where you found this video that I need you to fill out. And that's about it. Hopefully we'll see each other soon.